The cord is a 2-wire 16-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the top half of the rear handle. Now I can remove the cord. First I'll remove the cord clamp. Then the screw that secures the switch. I'll remove the 2 cord wires. I'll move the black wire around until I can access its release on the side of the connection. I'll use a small wire, or in this case a small Allen wrench, to release the black wire. Now I'll remove the cord protector from the cord. Now I can install the new cord. I'll use the old cord as a template to cut the wires to the correct length. Now I'll strip back just over 1/4 inch of insulation from each of the wires. The next step is to tin the wires, that is, to apply solder on the bare ends. I'm going to clamp the wire into a small vise. This just makes it a little easier to handle the solder gun and solder. Now I'll apply some flux. The flux makes the solder flow easier. Now I'll heat the wire and apply the solder. And I'll do the second wire. Now reinstall the cord protector. I'll thread the wires through it and over the insulation on the cord. Now I can install the wires back into the switch. First the black wire, and then the white. I'll realign this switch with the housing. And secure it with the screw. I'll align the cord protector with the housing. And secure the cord with the cord clamp. And I'll tuck the cord wires back into the tabs on the housing. Now reinstall the top half of the handle and secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to install a new power cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.